All right, last step. Neighbor came by and we got the 24 volt inverter off the wall and got the new 48 volt inverter installed. Let me show you something really quick here. I just made this up. I made a little stand for this inverter. Just put it right underneath there and took the weight off of it when we took the lag bolts off. And I installed new lag bolts, longer and a little bit thicker. I just got the wiring done right there, and together we are going to turn this on and see what happens. Are you ready? Let's go over here. Solar inverter on. Okay, now we're going to throw the big switch. See what happens. You ready? Looks like it found the mate. Mate's powered up. I hear the fan on. How about that? Ooh, it just switched on to inverter mode. Now it's in the charger mode. Huh. As soon as I turned it on, it went right into charger mode. How about that, huh? And I don't have the charger parameters set. So I better work on programming everything up and make sure everything is okay and talking to the outside world and all that stuff. So, all right. Hoorah. I didn't see any magic smoke. All right, no magic smoke. Just got everything set up and running normally, optimally. FMC, military term, fully mission capable. FMC. Remember that term. Had one minor hiccup with the install, converting everything to 48 volts. But this baby came right up. It's talking to the outside world with Optics RE. Batteries are really low, but check this out. They're all pretty much consistent now too. 1297, 1297, 1297, 1296. System voltage, 51.88. Hoorah! I am now on 48 volts.